Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohart and the king of the night himself. Of course, I am the Party Monster. Back in the house of Monster, back in the room of Monster, and more importantly, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my most recent pickup that comes courtesy of the Nike Sneakers app. Your boy was really blessed to hit on this particular shoe. And I know some of y'all will say, once y'all see what shoe it is, that Party, that shoe was a brick. Anyone can hit on it. You can still get on it now if you wanted it. But yes, I understand that. And I know as I'm speaking that this particular shoe is sitting on many boutiques' websites. But regardless, I'm still happy to have this shoe. Like, I think it's a fire colorway. It was definitely slept on, and definitely a shoe that I'm so happy people slept on because it would make it so much easier for me to get, and I'm super happy and blessed to have it in my collection. It's sitting off to the side. I'm going to show you guys what it is in like 2 seconds, and yes, but before we do all of that, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to join the Monster Club. All the love you guys give to me, I will reciprocate back to you guys, and yes, I'm trying to be at the upper echelon level of YouTubers and everything. I'm trying to be on that Kais, that Seth Fowler, DMD, Tony D, Bullet RC, and all the shoe greats and everything like that. Mount Rushmore. I'm trying to have the Party Monsters face on the side somewhere and whatnot. And yes, your boy's super excited. It is Friday night. I just got paid. I didn't hard week, so I'm going to celebrate with this cold one behind me and whatnot. I'm going to a party after I finish this video. I'm going to be seeing one of my favorite EDM artists, Peekaboo, at Echo Stage in DC. It should be a great time if you see me out there. Definitely pull up on your boy. Tell me you guys watch the video, and I don't know, just have a fun time. Let's dap it up. Let's take pics and whatnot, and just have a beer and just enjoy the night and whatnot. So yeah, I'm excited. I know I've been working all day, and I am super tired and whatnot, but it is what it is. I'm here with you guys, and I cannot be any happier and more blessed. So without further ado, let's get it. Okay, guys, so per the tradition of this channel, you know we have to break open a cold one. I just happen to have a little something called Heating Up, which is inspired by NBA jams and whatnot. It's actually by this brewing company called Magnify Brewing, based out of New Jersey. So yeah, let's shout them out right quick. It is a double IPA. I don't see the ABV. Actually, I see it right there. 6.5, so it's definitely a little bit more on the stronger side and whatnot. So here's to that. Here's to the Monster Club. Oh my God, that's not bad at all. I'm good. Well, anyway, let me show you guys my most recent pickup. Oh, wow, that's pretty dope. This particular shoe comes in this dope sleeve. Check it out. We the best. Let's get that thumbnail right quick. And yeah, you got the Jumpman on the front of the sleeve, but let's get the shoe out of here. I know this is probably the most obvious unboxing I've ever did. Check out the Jumpman. His like transitioning colors from like a yellow to like a pink. Definitely a dope. I really love when Nike does something special with the box and whatnot, and gives it its own little like flair and what. You got We the Best on the top of the box. Again, you guys can probably already tell what shoe it is, but I'm gonna show you guys together with me. And without further ado, it is the Jordan 5 DJ Khaled collaboration, the Crimson Bliss, in my true size, 9.5. Well, I'm a 9.5 in the 5, so definitely want to go up a size. And overall, I gotta say, this color is fire. It is like this salmon pink colorway. You got We the Best on the back. You have your Jordan brand branding on the bottom, and yeah, overall, oh, here's probably one of my favorite things of the shoe, like the keep going on this shoe. Unless you got the other shoe, because it has its own special details as well. left one there for a second. And here's the right shoe. On the bottom, We the Best. You have 3 sets of laces. That's crazy. We have 4 sets all together. You have like this crimson pink. You have your blue, your black, and your white. Basically, if you look at the inner tongue, well, the inside of the tongue, you have keep on one and going on the other, which I think is pretty dope. Like, that's just pretty chill to see, like, when, I don't know, maybe you're having, like, a really down day, you just see keep going on your shoes, and it might inspire people. Like, I don't know what inspires you, but I think it's a really cool touch. Like, this is definitely one of those shoes that I could have seen going either way. Like, it could have been really, oh wow, why are my shoes creasing? I haven't even worn them yet, but I could have saw this one easily going and selling out within seconds. I know the lighter, I think it's called the Sail colorway, has definitely been selling out rather quickly, but honestly, this is probably the colorway that I would have gone for if I had my choice of all 4. Like, I didn't really like the purple too much, the Friend of the Family, or the blue ones at all, really. And the sales were cool, but like, I didn't need them. Like, I was only gonna get 1 pair of them, and this is the one I really wanted, so I'm happy to have this particular colorway and whatnot. I mean, check them out. This is definitely a shoe you guys will be seeing again at the end of the year. I can kind of guarantee that at this point. I mean, I'm kind of on the fence of, do I see it more at the top of the top 10 list or the bottom? But I'm going to figure that one out in a couple of days or so. But overall, I think it's a really dope shoe. I feel like the leather quality is really top notch and whatnot. And I don't know, I just love the Jordan 5 silhouette as it is. So this is definitely one of those, like, once I saw them, like, I knew I had to have them and everything. And this was definitely a no-brainer. So to get them for retail was dope. These retailed at $225 and everything. And like I said, these sat all day. Like, you could have probably even picked them up the very next day, still in the Nike Sneakers app. And I know a lot of boutiques still have them, so if this is one you guys are interested in, you guys can still pick them up. But I love them. I ordered them. I got them, and couldn't be happier. We the Best. Another one. Let's go. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for this first look at the DJ Khaled Nike Jordan 5s. I think they're fire. Definitely a dope silhouette, and definitely one of those that I'm so happy to have in my collection. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Definitely share it with a friend, and more importantly, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. And until the next one, remember, be excellent to each other, bless up, party on, and we the best. Peace.